You need the information of the company because a presentation needs to be duplicable. I get irritated when people say yes to me. If you spend 3 hours with the prospect, something is wrong with you. If there's one technique to close the whole world, I know how to guarantee a close. So now what works? Underselling or overselling? What's our plan? We have wellness product, we have telecommunications, we have vacation. Projections is where I get to play. However nice your presentation, however fantastic your material, doesn't make a difference. This is 12 minutes. I'm done with my plan. Do you have any questions? Now first let me make it very clear to you. There is no right and there is no wrong way to show the plan. There is only the way that works. So if you are showing the plan dressed up like a clown and singing a song and people are signing up, keep doing it. I'm in full support. So a lot of morons in this industry think there is a certain way of showing the plan. None lah. My plan changes every day. Depending on my mood, depending whether I'm wearing shorts, longs, you understand or not? Alright, what color my t-shirt, my plan changes. Are you guys with me now? Whether I'm talking to a lady, married, single, you understand or not? Fat people, thin people, my plan will change. Fat people, you see, your dream to lose weight will become a reality in this business. You understand? Thin people, finally you can afford to buy food. And eat as much as you want. Are you guys with me now? Alright? You understand now? To a single mother, I show the plan differently. I talk about sending the kids to university, how much it's going to cost. You understand? To a housewife, a home management consultant, I talk about independence. Alright? Making your own money, buying your own stuff, and finally kicking him out. You understand or not? Just kidding. However, the content of the plan, alright, is what your system must give you. The content, the information. Too much information is bad, too little information is bad. Too much information may make the person think too much and say no. Too little information could lead to misrepresentation for the person to sign up. Are you guys with me now? Right? Now my plan has never changed in 11 years. Okay? I fundamentally break my plan to 4 quadrants, like Kiyosaki. Are you guys with me? Alright? And today's information has changed. Alright? When you are an 11-year-old company, you don't have to give the address of the company. You understand now? Because you see, the plan only gets the person's mind open. However great you show the plan, in today's economic condition, people may sign up. You understand or not? They got money, okay, I buy. Sometimes the ego drives them, no? Oh, you think I cannot afford? I had one plan, I said, listen, I understand that you can't afford to join us now. Who said? No, you don't look like you can afford. No, I can. I want to buy now, I don't care. No, I can. No, power buy now. Sign up. So sometimes the ego is you tekan the ego a bit, the moron will take out his money, you understand? But you see, there's a massive mindset you have to change. The intention of showing the plan is not for him to sign up. It's for him to buy into the concept. If you just want to sign up, you don't even have to show the plan. Beg. Please buy. Please. If that's your intention, if your intention is to just get that 1 UV, or half UV, or 3 UV, right, then the plan is very different. You understand or not? Alright? You want to give him enough information to go back thinking, I may be interested in doing this business. Are you guys with me now? Alright? So remember, the plan only transfers information. The closing 100% depends on you. I never teach people how to close because it cannot work. Think about it. If there's one technique to close the whole world, you won't be sitting in the room. We will be in the mama stall, all pink Ferraris outside. You understand now? Somebody said, I know how to guarantee a close. How? You understand? There's no such thing. If anyone comes and tell you the best closing method, it depends who you're talking to. There's too many variables in the presentation. The main variable is who you're talking to. So the first info which needs to be shared is obviously on the company. Okay? Alright? You need the information on the company. Now some people show a plan on paradigm shift, economic change, you understand or not? Time versus money. Up to you. Alright? I like my plan to be 12 minutes. Count him. Because I don't have as much time as you. You understand? You do nothing constructive in your life. You understand or not? So you can talk long to the guy. So I saw somebody gave me a presentation from London. 34 pages. I looked at their presentation, confirm I won't sign up. Because a presentation needs to be duplicable. That means when I see you do it, well, I can do it, But if you do it and I feel, oh shit, this is damn hard, then I cannot do it. That already starts me with rejection mode, This looks not like my cup of tea. When somebody says it, it is actually your fault. Because you presented it in a way that that person is uncomfortable generally about the business. Are you guys with me or not? Are you guys with me so far? Alright? So information on the company start with the name. Quest. Net. Here, every stage I tell you where it could go. It could go many places. Here, it could immediately go to I know about this already. Have you seen this happen? No chair even start. Now some people say, Patman, we mustn't talk about the name at the beginning, we talk the name about at the end. Hey, stupid, y'all. Why waste 45 minutes, 30 minutes? I rather know from the beginning because I got another prospect waiting. Only people who don't do rule 3 will mention the name at the end because they got a lot of free time. So you will come back and tell your upline, I spent 3 hours with the prospect. If you spend 3 hours with the prospect, something is wrong with you. Unless you are signing up, processing. Because when somebody asks too many questions, they're asking questions for 2 reasons. Genuine interest to know, alright, or just to find a way to get out of you. So today's world is no longer like, 12 years ago when I was networking. When I was networking was still new. People were very receptive. Today the world is fast moving, You got 40 minutes to sit down with somebody every day. You cannot get 40 minutes from me. If I'm the MD of the V and you say, Patman, can you meet? I'm sorry, I can't meet 40 minutes. I don't have the time. Right? But we can meet at 2 in the morning. I'm very flexible. Are you guys with me now? So when you get an appointment, right, don't beat around the bush. That's my philosophy. I don't know what your uplines teach you. Whatever your uplines teach you, follow. Patman is not your working upline. I'm just a guiding hand here, You understand or not? So take it back to upline and say, Patman said this. Alright? So now don't go and tell her, hey, upline, moron. I'm going to listen to Patman. No. My technique works for me. May not work for you. You understand or not? So I don't beat around the bush. I want it quick, fast, get it over and done with, to have an indication whether it's coming or not coming. You understand? Because I got many other things to do. Why? I got to monitor my 5 people. I got to do goal setting. I got to do my own rule 3. You understand? Now? I got to talk to this, communicate, create the newsletter, email, mass email, lot of things to do. You want me to sit down 3 hours with a prospect? You understand? Now? So usually you spend 45 minutes, maximum 1 hour with the prospect. Chitty, chat here, there, hello, how's the family and all that. Now the minute the prospect has indicated no, alright, don't be pushy.